Good morning, Mighty Owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is January 5th, 2021. Happy New Year. It's a B day. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state, under God, one indivisible. Now it's time for our Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot, hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, IDEA South Flores Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. So a couple of things that are going to be in the Family Weekly. So I want to pull up my Family Weekly so I can go over them with you. 3rd through 5th grade scholars. There's going to be some testing expectations that are going to change. So if you're virtual scholars and you're learning from home, for the STAR test, you have to come into person and take the STAR test. So we're going to start prepping you by having you come in and take some of the test. And you'll get more information soon about that. Another thing is that on Thursday, January 21st, you can dress out of uniform. You can dress out of uniform for those who met their goal on their semester exam. And your teachers will let you know who that is. Nice job. Also, tell your parents that Thursday, January 14th, that we are going to have report card night here at the school. And what that's going to look like is they're going to drive through and pick up your report card so that we can have conversations with parents, letting them know where you're at in your academics. Also, don't forget to read. Keep reading. We've got 17 Royal Readers. Would love to have 100 by the end of the school year. It's a great day to learn. Have a great day. Hoot, hoot.